What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Easy Eats with Keith, where I teach people like me to make simple meals to get you through the day. And today, man, we're going to be making some hamburger sliders. Real simple, real easy recipe. You can make this on the weekends, or if it's a late night and you're just tired, man, you just want to make something quick. This is the go-to meal for you. First, man, you just want to make sure you, of course, go to the store and get your meat. I got this from Sam's Club, prime rib. It came in the package like this, a little 18-pack, very affordable. I recommend you guys go and get a Sam's Club membership. It's not sponsored by them in this video or anything, but yeah, man. Then of course you want to get your seasoned. So I got seasoned salt right here. I got some black pepper with me, salt, and then of course you're gonna need some onions. And a little small stick of butter. But yeah, I'm gonna skip all this talk and I'm gonna get straight to showing you guys how to get this slider cooked up. Got the first bun already cooked up. You want to cook that till it's brown. I like mine medium well or well done. If you might like yours rare where it's bleeding, I don't know. But I also got this from HEB, the little mini bun. So we're gonna take the sliders out, throw them on the bun. We're gonna add the cheese and the lettuce, and you can add whatever you want to add to it. I'm gonna do my style. You do however you like. Then I went and got some sliced cheese. You could get whatever topping that you want. Like I said, I got sliced cheese. So I'm gonna throw this cheese on there. I like to cut mine up into little small pieces since we got the sliders. I'm gonna throw it on there just like that, man. Your burgers, look at that. It's nice and juicy, nice and brown. Not too cooked, just well done. But like I said, you can do it however you want. So we're gonna take this. Gonna get our bun, man. Gonna slap that on the bun, just like that. Look at that. That's beautiful. And you can finish it off however you want. You can add lettuce on there. I got that sweet baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I know how I finish all my videos, man. I gotta give y'all the final test. Is it good or is it? And I'm gonna tell you right now, I already know. Matter of fact, let me just do that. $10 out of 10. 20 out of 10. Nothing left to be said, man. Peace and love.